Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Furkan Ahmed, FBA IT Services, and today we're discussing about IT infrastructure for educational institutions such as schools, colleges, and universities. For more update, visit our website, fbaitservices.com. Setting up and maintaining IT infrastructure for educational institutions such as schools, colleges, and universities involves careful planning and execution to ensure robust, reliable, and scalable systems. Here's a detailed guide covering lab setup, network installation, and ongoing services. 1. Planning and preparation. Assess requirements. Understand the specific needs of the institution, including the number of users, types of devices, software applications, and the extent of network coverage. Budget and resources. Determine the budget for the setup and ongoing maintenance. Consider hardware, software, networking equipment, and professional services. Compliance and standards. Ensure the setup complies with educational standards and regulations, including data privacy and security requirements. 2. Lab setup hardware, computers, and workstations. Select reliable and high-performance computers suitable for educational use. Consider the needs for specific software that may require higher specifications. Peripheral devices. Include necessary peripherals like monitors, keyboards, mice, printers, scanners, and projectors. Specialized equipment. For science and engineering labs, include specialized equipment like servers, workstations with powerful GPUs, and lab-specific devices. Software operating systems. Install suitable operating systems that are secure and easy to manage. Options include Windows, Mac OS, or Linux distributions. Educational software. Install required educational software and applications relevant to the courses offered. This may include programming environments, data analysis tools, and subject-specific applications. Security software. Ensure robust security software, including antivirus, anti-malware, and endpoint protection solutions. Configuration imaging and cloning. Use imaging software to create and deploy standardized system images across all lab computers to ensure uniformity and ease of management. User accounts and permissions. Set up user accounts and permissions based on roles, students, teachers, administrators, to control access to resources. 3. Network setup, net design. Wired and wireless networks. Plan for a combination of wired and wireless networks to provide flexibility and coverage across the campus. Network topology. Design an appropriate network topology, star, mesh, that supports scalability and redundancy. Network hardware, switches, and routers. Select high-quality switches and routers that can handle the expected network traffic and provide features like VLANs, QoS, and robust security. Access points, APs. Deploy sufficient access points to provide strong and consistent Wi-Fi coverage throughout the campus. Use high-quality Ethernet cables, Cat6 or Cat6a, for wired connections. Ensure proper cable management to avoid clutter and facilitate maintenance. Network configuration, IP addressing. Set up a structured IP addressing scheme using DAP for dynamic address assignment, reserving static IPs for critical devices. Network segmentation. Use VLANs to segment the network into logical sections, e.g., administrative, academic, student, guest, to improve security and manageability. Firewall and security. Implement robust firewall rules to protect the network from external threats. Use network security tools to monitor and manage traffic. 4. Services and maintenance. Ongoing support. Help desk services. Provide help desk services for students, faculty, and staff to resolve technical issues quickly. Remote support. Use remote support tools to troubleshoot and fix issues without needing to be physically present. Maintenance. Regular updates. Schedule regular updates for operating systems, software, and firmware to ensure security and performance. Backup and disaster recovery. Implement regular backup procedures and a disaster recovery plan to protect data and ensure continuity in case of hardware failures or other incidents. Performance monitoring. Use monitoring tools to track the performance of network devices and computers. Address issues proactively to prevent downtime. Documentation. Maintain detailed documentation of the network layout, device configurations, software licenses, and maintenance procedures. Sustainability. Consider energy-efficient devices and practices to reduce the environmental impact and operating costs. Vendor support. Establish relationships with vendors for support and maintenance contracts. ensuring timely assistance when needed. For more update, visit our website .fbaiservices.com. Please click on like and subscribe and follow page button for more updates.